Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to chat with you guys about Didistock. Didistock was IPO'd last Wednesday. Initial price is $14. It has been the second largest Chinese ADR IPOs just after Stock, and Didi's market cap after the IPO is around $60 billion. So today I want to talk about some interesting factors about the Didistock as well as some bulls and bears. So now let's get started. The first fun fact about Didi is that it was founded in 2012 by the former Alibaba employee Cheng Wei, and until now it's been already almost 10 years. Now Didi is also called Uber of China, and it accounts for 90% of the total market share. The second fun fact is that Didi is one of the three biggest tech companies in China. It's been called TMD, while T stands for parent company of TikTok, M stands for the big food delivery service Meituan, and D stands for Didi. Before Didi became the monopoly in China in this car-hailing industry, there's also competitors in the market, including Kuaidi and Uber China. Finally, the company has gone through the merger and acquisition, and it becomes the new Didi company we saw today. The third fun fact is that Didi was backed by Tencent, and that's where it got its venture fund. That's why they are very competitive in terms of pricing, because they got big investors. So the reason Tencent want to invest in Didi is because at that time, when Tencent just launched its payment system, WeChat Pay, they need to have some applications to apply this payment software. Tencent think transportation and this taxi service is a good scenario for the payment services. So that's why they have invested Didi at a very early stage. So when the users are using Didi to call the taxi, they have to use WeChat as a payment service. So that's also why WeChat has been promoted widely. So now let's look at some bulls and bears opinion. The first bullish opinion is that Didi has a dominant place in the Chinese taxi industry, and the reason is that it has several merger and acquisition with its competitors. Since the company already have a large market share, if it want to increase the pricing, the customer will most likely to accept it, because if they are calling for the traditional taxi, it's going to be more expensive. The second bullish opinion is that Didi was backed by some big investors, including Tencent, SoftBank, and even Apple. I think Didi's founding team and management have a good capacities in terms of raising capital or get investment. Since the company has a culture of moving fast and break things, they are also one of the first ones doing this type of service. I think that's why they are very welcomed by the capitals. However, there's also a bearish opinion about the stock. The first one is that I think 2 days ago, the regulators has removed the Didi app from the Chinese App Store. That means new users was not able to download it anymore, while the old users can still using their app to call taxi and other car service. So some investors may concern it will affect the future cash flow, so the stock price would probably become choppy in the next few weeks. The second bearish opinion is that currently in the non-GAAP standard, the company still make a net profit loss, although in the GAAP standards, the company do make a small amount of profit. So some investors may concern that the company has been there for 10 years and it's just become profitable. Although the company already become monopoly, has a variety of revenue source, and in the future they will also launch the new services, including auto driving, the truck service, as well as the grocery delivery service like Instacart. But in terms of the return on capital, maybe some investors are still worried about that. So that's some basic fact about Didistock and also some bulls and bears opinions. Please let me know what you guys think. I wonder whether the stock price will go down tomorrow. So let's see together. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!